You have a will, but what about your online accounts? You've done the responsible thing. You've created a will, maybe even set up a trust. You've decided who gets your house, your car, your savings. That's important, but here's what most people don't realize. Your will probably doesn't cover your digital life. And today, your digital life is everything. Your email, your cloud storage, your online banking, your social media, your crypto wallet, your business tools, all of these accounts contain real value, emotional, financial, and functional. But unless you've explicitly outlined them, your family might be locked out. Legal documents help with probate, but they don't provide passwords. They don't navigate two-factor authentication. They don't explain which services you use, or how to cancel them. That's where the Digital Emergency Kit comes in. It complements your legal will by providing the practical information, account names, login locations, instructions, device access, and more. You're not sharing this with everyone. You're simply creating a plan, privately, so the right person can take over without guesswork. Think of it like a decoder ring for your digital life. Without it, your loved ones are left fumbling in the dark. With it, they can manage your online world with confidence and clarity. Click the link in the description and build your digital emergency kit. Because your legacy deserves more than a locked inbox.